Hello, here is your explanation for the Cold War geography challenge that we have. So I want to clear everything up, okay? So everything is here that you're going to need. So you're going to click on the link to open up the actual activity and find the maps. And in there, you're going to make sure to use the scribble tool for the lines. Okay, you're going to click on the drop down menu and select scribble. You're going to use text boxes to label countries on the map. You're going to use the fill color option to place a preferred color in the box. You may work on this with a partner and in the same doc. You'll submit a shareable link, all right, or pictures of the completed map to Canvas, okay? The Cold War geography activity instructions and world map for labeling are below, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and this is the activity, so everything is here, okay, that you have. So first thing I need to do is I need to find and label the Soviet Union. You're going to be working on 3 different maps, okay? It will tell you what maps: Cold War geography activity, and then the Cold War hotspots, okay? So you guys divide this up. So first thing I'm going to do, first things first, find and locate the Soviet Union and color it red on the main map, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the Soviet Union. I'm going to click on my thing here. I'm going to draw this out here. And I'm going to write Soviet Union. Okay. Then I'm going to color this red. So I'm going to find the fill color, okay, which should be right here. It'll say fill color. And I'm going to make that red, okay, because that's communist. Bam. So just like that. All right. So then I'm going to go back here, and it said label the communist controlled countries in Eastern Europe, color them red. Okay, now I'm not going to be able to find all the countries because if you look at the map, it's super small. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a text box and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to put Eastern Europe. Okay. And I'll slide that in there and move over my Soviet Union. Okay, bam. And then I'm going to go in the text box, bold it out. Okay, hit bold, bam. And then I'm going to color that red. So back to my fill color here. All right, and go from there. Okay, then it's going to tell me number 2, which we just did. Okay, and I'm going to use the map linked to show me where the things are. Okay, chapter 27, Cold War. So I can click on the link, and it's going to take me to the map. So, all right, I'm using 789. So it's going to pull up. Okay, it'll take me right to it. Or again, if you want, make things always a little easier, you can go to the old school map right here in the book. And it shows you Soviet Union, Eastern Europe, Western Europe, Germany, and so on. Okay? So, and that's 789 in the book. Okay? So, we're going to go back to where we're at. Okay? And it's loading, obviously. And I'm going to find 789 in the book here. All right? Is what you're looking for. And here's 789. So, it's right there. Okay? So, those are the first 2. So, then, all right, I'm going to look and say, locate and label the United States, color it blue. All right, so then I'm going to go back to my map here. Okay, and I'm going to take a text box and put it right here. US, Okay, and then again, just like we did, I'm going to do the fill color in blue. Okay. If you want to use the scribble tool to outline stuff, you can do that. So for the scribble tool, what I do is go to lines. Okay, and go to scribble. Okay, and for that, I'm going to make it red. Okay, and then you should be able to like outline stuff here in red. Oh, nope, sorry, that's blue. Okay, but just to give you a rough estimate, that, and what I would do is change the fill color from that to red, and that will change the color of your line. Should. Okay, and then that's kind of what you're doing. So then you'll grab the scribble tool here, change your fill color to blue and outline there. All right, so that's basically what you're going to be doing. You guys can kind of figure it out. Then, okay, you'll tell me the NATO countries, and what I would say here is create another text box over here and add it over here because this is Western Europe. Okay, and label Western Europe. Okay. All right. So I've got that. Okay. And I'm going to change it. So as long as we're to label it NATO countries, that's fine. Okay. Bring it down. All right. I'm going to do my fill color blue because that's NATO. All right. And I'll bold it out. Okay. So you can see it from there. So that's number 3. All right. And then you'll just go from there and kind of do your thing. All right. So when it talks about here and it talks about locate the countries of the Cold War on the map and label them China, North Korea, South Korea, Cuba, and Vietnam. You'll label those on the map here. On this map right here. Okay. And then use the hotspot activities and complete the following. All right. It's pretty self-explanatory. All right. If you guys so then obviously number 6 is going to be done on these maps right here. Okay, Vietnam, okay, Korea, and Berlin, Germany. Okay, East Germany, West Germany. Okay, you're going to go ahead and label those. That's what you're finishing and submitting. Okay, all right. Any questions? Let me know. All right. Have a great day. We'll see you later.